Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is an update coming to Firefox. If you're a Firefox user, we had, of course, version 123 rollout last week, and now there's a little bug fix. So if you go into the upper right corner hamburger menu, you go down to Help and About Firefox, you will now be at version 123.0.1. Some people were reporting weird colors on some of the web pages and the websites that weren't rendering correctly. So this is one of the fixes here. Apparently there's something about the rendering of colors that weren't right. There's a few bug fixes for other things also, including if you were in some parts of the settings, apparently the contrast between the background and the text was not very high, so a lot of people had a hard time reading the settings. It also happened for the developers in the site. So quite a few little things like that are fixed. Nothing really important, nothing security, but just little annoyances that appeared in version 123 that were not there before. So if you had some issues, you can go and update your Firefox. If nothing's wrong, it will update by itself anyways as you use it. So Firefox 123.0.1 is the latest version. Once again, there is no security updates in here. It's interesting to see that most of the security updates we get for Firefox are really only happening most of the time when we are changing to a new version. It's kind of intriguing. So compared to Chrome, maybe because of the different engine and probably the fact that it's the only browser that's left on Windows that's a different engine, less attacks are being tried or less security hazards are being confronted by the browser, so they're not trying that much like, Chromium and Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.